Hello everyone! In this video, I cover the basics of ideal larynx position for singing. The larynx is a tubular, muscular organ in the neck that forms an air passage to the lungs and houses our vocal cords. Colloquially, it's known as the voice box. You can find it by placing your fingers on your Adam's apple or thyroid cartilage, which is a part of your larynx. If you swallow, you can feel your Adam's apple shift upwards. Swallowing engages the constrictor muscles in our throat that raise our larynx, squeeze our throat, and seal off the glottis, that space between our vocal cords that opens when we breathe, talk, or sing. This is good for eating since it diverts food into our esophagus and keeps it from passing through our glottis and into our trachea. Unfortunately, these constrictor muscles often engage when we sing, especially when we try to sing higher in any vocal register. Imagine the feeling of getting choked up when you have strong emotions and feel a lump in your throat. That feeling is a raised larynx position and a constricted throat competing with the glottis trying to open. Those competing forces are what can make singing feel and sound strained and tight and limit our range and resonance. To counteract this lifting and squeezing larynx position when we sing, we can draw on some sensations we know from everyday life. For example, the yawn. If you yawn, you can feel your Adam's apple stay still or maybe shift down a little. Yawning releases our throat muscles, opens our throat and glottis, and keeps our larynx neutral. This open and neutral or lowish position is helpful for singing since it lengthens the vocal tract, which is good for resonance, keeps tension away, and allows the vocal folds to stretch and tilt with a little more ease. Some vocal styles and sounds may utilize a high larynx position for effect, like some pop belting and extended vocal techniques. But in general, it's beneficial for vocal sound and vocal health to feel in control of the larynx position and aim for a neutral larynx the majority of the time. Maintaining a neutral larynx position as you sing may take some practice, especially as you sing higher and higher in your range. The first step in maintaining a neutral larynx position is to start to pay attention to when it moves. A simple way to start observing it is to place your fingers gently on your Adam's apple when you sing. You can also try sliding upwards from a comfortably low note to a note higher in your range on a hum or an ah vowel. Do you feel your Adam's apple move upwards as you sing higher? If so, try it again and see if you can initiate a hint of a yawn, almost like you're stifling a yawn, as you start to slide into your upper range. The yawn should help keep the larynx neutral and the throat open. I'll post a separate tutorial demonstrating more exercises and approaches that can help you find and maintain a good larynx position for singing. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.